Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is the 16th of June, 2023, and today we're going to talk about Coinbase to see if this stock is about to embark on a big move to the upside. You guys can tell that right now I did not drop a price prediction on my chart for Coinbase because I wanted the market to give us opportunity to see what it wants to do. You guys can tell from the last couple of trading days, the market in Coinbase has been very reluctant into going down. That is a massive clue for us as to what the majority of the market thinks. If the market truly was weak, off of it being sued by the SEC, then inevitably Coinbase would not be trading where it is right now. I mean, when the news came out that the SEC was suing them, look what happened to the price. The volume in Coinbase came in. Look at all this climactic volume. And price is still trying to go up in Coinbase. We're seeing signals just by that alone that tells us that this market is not weak. Just by that alone. So if that's the case, could Coinbase go up? Let's try to figure that out. So let's go ahead and break these things away. Next thing I wanted to talk to you all about is that this market in Coinbase is finding buyers as well right here on our trend line. This trend in Coinbase started at the beginning of this year. It was a very quick run up in the beginning of the year. Market kind of traded sideways, came back down in the beginning of May, bounced off this trend line again. And here we are again today. We're still hovering around our trend line. This is where we are seeing the buyers in the market in Coinbase. Here's Coinbase on the 2-day chart. Okay. So when you put everything into perspective, when you see this 2-day price bar here with this high volume, this is an indicator of bullishness right here. And then you look at the last couple of 2-day price bars, how price hasn't gone down. Something's going on in the market. Here it is on the 3. We got an up fake here on this 3-day price bar. And then we still saw some selling into the market in Coinbase on this 3-day price bar. But then you're trying to tell me on the conclusion of this latest 3-day price bar that the market is still going up? Hold on. What's going on in the market? Somebody is buying Coinbase. Who could it be? Somebody had to buy Coinbase to not see price go down over the last 9 days. Somebody had to. That's what we're seeing. That's what this chart represents. Here it is on the 5. Okay. So what we have here is Coinbase confirming this area right here as what buyers are too. Okay. So not only is price currently trading above our trend line, we are also noticing that buyers are coming in around $50. Or they may even come down a little bit lower to here. So I kind of like that area. So they actually came in around $47.65, give or take. Okay. So I think looking at where buyers entered when the market dumped and how price hasn't gone down and how price is keeping in line with our trend line, that I think there's a greater probability that Coinbase is going to continue to move up. Okay. So now, it doesn't mean that we're going to see price run to 120. It doesn't mean that Coinbase is going to hit $150. No. Let's try to put all this into perspective because we do have to remember that the SEC is suing Coinbase. And any jitters of nervousness will push this price back down. So we may not even see Coinbase go that high at all. But looking at the momentum of the charts, we can see that market wants to go up. Okay, that's what we want to see, and that is what price currently is doing. So let me clean this chart up. I want us to focus in on Coinbase off of this trading range. Rather than it following the trend line, I want us to pay attention to the trading range. Okay, so now I think one of the first areas that we're going to see selling into the market in Coinbase, it's going to be around like $57.50, $57.50. And then the second area will take us around like $60. So what I'm going to do, I am going to put on a price prediction, but it is going to be within these two lines on my chart. Okay, so the first one is 57.50. So that's 6.61% from the close of yesterday. Okay, right there. It might come to the lows of these daily price bars. I'm just going to keep it real. Right around here. That would be my first target. So it's like around 56.82. So that's only 4.81%. Then I said my second target for Coinbase. It's going to be up here around 60. That is 10.5% there. Okay, $60. And then the third target, we'll take it all the way up here to our resistance area of 62. That is 14.5% move there. So those are the three targets. And now we just need to see how far price is going to go before the sellers come in and try to impact Coinbase price. Give me your thoughts. It's your turn. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.